So I was able to create this app for my future real estate business in less than 10 minutes. No code needed. I have no background in programming or in technology, and anybody can do this, including you. I'm going to be showing you how to create an app for yourself or build an app for yourself without needing to program or to code anything. So if you offer a service or own a business or make apps for other businesses, you need to watch this because you can do things faster now. Faster, easier, cheaper. So what we're going to be using to create this is called Adalo. This tool makes it easy for anybody to make an app. You don't even have to have a programming background or a tech background. Anybody can do this easily. And over here, I prefer if we practice along with me because this is going to be an in-depth Adalo tutorial. So if you're interested, click on the link in the description box or in the comment section. Sign up to Adalo and let's get started. So the link will direct you here, and to start you can add your email address here. I'm going to add mine now. So, and then click on start building. And now you just click sign up, put your name here and click on let's do this. And it's going to ask you what type of app would you like to build. Here I'm going to type real estate app. Real estate listings, yeah, perfect, here. And then click on continue. You can import your data if you have, but I believe that most of us here are just starting, so we're just going to click on start with sample data, and you can add yours later. So let's click on that and then click on continue. Later we can try this one that's designed for mobile, tablet and desktop, but for now let's just start with this one. So we're going to start with the app that can be accessed on your mobile devices and click on continue. So this is the Adalo app editor. So this is basically an instruction on how to use it, but I'm going to be showing you, so we don't need that. And here in this plus button here, this is where you add components, you add sections, you add button, you add text, you add app bar, you add lists, images, forms, like basically where you can add features to the screens. These things are called screens here. So this is where you log in. This is the home list. This is where you see all the homes. If you click on one of them, this is the details to show you. So if I click on this listing here, this one here is going to show you the name, the short description, the image of the house, and a detailed description of what the house is. So that's what this plus button is. We can also, and with this color here, you can change the color to something else. Let me change the color to purple. This is kind of blue. Yeah, purple, and secondary color should be white. Yeah, text default color, I prefer this color. You can also change it if you want, but I prefer that color, is more professional. So here you are going to see all the screens available to you. So this is the sign up screen. This is the screen they're going to see when they click on the link to your app. This is what they're going to see first, and we can change every component of this screen. So if we click on any of this place would come up, and here you can make your changes. So first I want to change this logo to my brand logo. So this is where you can choose images. You can simply click here to upload your image or pick from your database, or download an image from a URL. But you can also click here to choose the image you want. I made a professional logo for my business using Looker AI, and I have a link to that in my description box, as well as how to actually use Looker AI to generate your logo. So this is the logo for my real estate business, simple and classy, and as you can see, it has been changed here. You can also change the name. So we go here and change the name here. So the name of my company is Jessica Homes. Yeah, and as you can see, it has been changed here to Jessica Homes. We can also change the details here. Your first stop to building a legacy. So this is basically the data collection for the users. So their name, and it's going to contain their name, their full name, their email, and their password. So nothing much needs to be changed here. So we're going to go back to the screen and let's go to home list. So this from here is the list of the homes. So if you click on one of these, it will direct you to details. It will direct you to the details of the home listing. Again, I have to change this logo here because I have to change it to my brand logo. And to do that, I would go to title, and here is my logo. Yeah. And here as well, I'm going to choose my logo. And as you can see, it has automatically changed. And the text here, I don't need to change the image, but if you want to change your image, you can do that. And then the next step is to change the text here. I like this available properties, but I need to change the short description. So I'll delete this and add something else. All homes have been checked out and owners have been verified. I think this is enough. I have no idea what I want for now, so I just came up with this, but I'm just trying to show you what you can do. So that's good, and this would be the listing. So if anybody lists their house on my app, this is how it's going to appear: house 1, house 2, and that's it. So if you want to add your listing, you click add here, and you can be able to, it will direct you to the details page where you can add your listings. Let's go back to screens. The login page, again, we have to change the logo because it has to be my brand logo. Yeah, so this is good. You can also change the color of this login button. So this is where you can change the color here. I want to change the color to my brand color, or maybe I can just let me try another color. I like this color. This is good. And that's all. This is just okay. This is exactly what we need for the login page. So let's go back to screen and sign up page. So the sign up page is good. Everything is good. It aligns. Home lists, we did that already. Create modal. This is for the users of the app, so this is good as well. This is good as well. This is where you upload your listings, and in details is where they see all these things you've included here. So here you're going to put the name of the house, the image of the house, a short description if it's a 3-bedroom flat, and then a long description to basically describe it in detail so that you have an idea of what you're trying to get. And then in details, this is where they're going to see what has been uploaded by the owner of the house that's trying to list their house. So these ones are okay, and I think I like what I'm seeing now. Here I'm going to, you can also add more screens if you want, but for now, since we are still new, we don't need to do that. So next is the database. This is where you're going to see all the listings and all the users. The listings are the houses that have been uploaded, and the users are the people that are coming to buy some houses or check out some houses. And then in settings, you can change the name of the app. So I'm going to change it and remove this app, and then here a short description. I don't know what to say. Your one stop to build your legacy. Yeah. And what else do I need? I think that's good enough. App layout type, device only. You can actually switch that here, but we're not going to do that now. Now, if you want to publish your app, if you're satisfied with the result and you want to publish your app so that other people can use your app, this is where you go, but you would have to upgrade and switch to the paid plan to be able to have access to that. And so you can be able to access your app through all these options, through the web, the Android phones and iOS. And here you're going to see the analytics of people using your app. So active users over time, you're going to see them here. The total people that signed up and the most visited screens on your app. So if there's a screen that is the least visited, then most likely you want to make changes to it, or maybe it is not linked properly, so you would have to fix that. And also the user's location. And here, this is where you get all the design versions of your app. So for example, if I don't like this version and I'm trying to change it to a new version, this version that I currently have would be stored, so you can go back to see how it actually looked like. So if I want to create a new version of this app, this current version would be stored, so I can always go back to see how it looked like previously. You can store up to 10 different versions, so you can restore the app to its previous version if you don't like your new version, basically. or if you think your previous version was better based on your analytics. So let's preview. So to view your app when you're done, click on view app, staging preview. So this is how the app is going to look like when someone is trying to sign up. So this is what they would see when they try to sign up. They're going to have to put their full name. Let me put my full name. And they have to put their email address and their password and sign up. So when they sign up, it's going to lead them to this page, and they're going to add their listing. So let me list a home. So I'm going to enter the name of the home. The name of the home will be La Casa de Papel. And then I'm going to upload an image of the home. So this is the image of the home, and I'm going to enter a short description and a long description. So this is the long description, and then create. So this is how people are going to experience my app when they click on the link that I share to them, or when I publish the app. So once I'm done, the property would be listed here. And here they can see the drop down menu. So basically that's how the app looks like. Obviously there are some other changes I might want to add, or some other things I would like to add. So after I'm done researching other people's apps, other real estate apps, then I would have a better idea on what I want to add to my app. But for now, this is just the basics. And you can share your app here. You can scan it to install it to your phone, or you can share the app here. You click here, copy the link and send it to other people. And if you think this is studious for you, you can click here to hire an expert from Adalo. And if you want to start from scratch, remember we are using a template here, and I'm grateful for this template because it's made it easier for me. I had no idea the number of screens I wanted or the screens I needed, and they provided that for me. But if you already have an idea on what to do and how to do it, you can click here, create new app, mobile only, next. Here you have your blank mobile, so select that and go to next. Put the name of your app and what the app will be used for. I'll say mostly me, I'm just testing. And you can change the color as always. I prefer, yeah, let's see. Oh, this is so pretty. Next. And obviously on screens you can see the number of screens they have. They have a welcome page. It's basic. Oh, I don't like the color. The color is not as dope as I wanted it to be. Yeah, you can change the color to something deeper. Yeah, and the button, I want to change the color as well. You can change the color here again to something deeper, and yeah, you can change the image of this as well. Yeah, so I've changed the image, and look, it just gave it a new look. And name, you can also change the name as well. Jesse. You see, and now we are done with the welcome page. You can go, then you go to other screens, make your changes here, add your app name again. So it's not that hard. You can always start from the scratch if you want to start from the scratch. But what you would need to do is to add more screens here and name what the screen is going to be about. Let me say available properties, and then create. So now we have available properties here. The home page also would need some setup, and then you go to the plus button because now we have a blank screen. We have to add things. You might want to add image, so you click on image and place it here. We might want to add, let's go to add, we might want to add text as well. We can add text here. You might want to add simple list. We can add it here. So now we're going to, here I'm going to add available properties. You can edit the style of the text. Well, that's about that. And then image, I'm going to upload. And you can also add buttons. Let's go to components. Yeah, button. I want to add, oh no. Click on plus, go to button, drag it to where you want to add the button. So at the end here, I can add button and go to and change the text to sign up, no, or buy, and change the color to fit Yeah, I like more solid colors, so I think this color will be good. And if I want to add icon, we can go to buy, we can search buy. Yeah, so now I've added an icon. So you can make so many changes, but the disadvantage of starting from scratch is you would have to link all these things, because now this is going to be the listings, so you have to link it to the details page, and it's just more complicated because you're just starting and you don't understand how to do this. So I'll advise you to first start with templates. And then when you're used to Adalo, you can start from scratch if you want to. So to appreciate me for this wonderful video I just made for you, please click on the like button, share this video to anybody. This video it's not even just for people that are interested in creating the app. It's just to know. It's good to just know things and understand how things are working in this 21st century. And if you're feeling extra wonderful, you can use the super thanks, okay? I don't mind that. I just realized that there is something like super thanks and you can use it to appreciate me, so why not? Hello, my name is Jessica Okole, and over here I teach you everything you need to know about AI, tech, and content creation as a beginner. So if you're a professional, you probably don't need this channel, but if you're a beginner and you have no idea, I know you've been hearing AI, it's not as deep as you think it is. It's just a tool that makes it easier for you and I. Both of us, we are not that into technology like that, so we don't know too much, and AI is here to make everything easier. And I have several videos on how to use AI to make your business easier for you, to make content creation faster for you. There is AI for UI UX design, there's AI that edits your videos for you, and if you're interested in that, click here and I'll see you in that video. Bye. Mwah.